A common problem with coffee machines with this type of control system is a system error. It usually displays an E4 or E6 code, indicating a malfunction in one of the machine's components. In this case, I found the machine burned to a crisp, along with the main control. This was caused by excessive use and the resulting fire. Here, I demonstrate that a situation like this can still be salvaged. My solution is, use the coffee machine according to its capacity so that its lifespan is longer.